G'day, today we're going to be talking about the HV1421T matte black spike light from Havit Lighting. This one's been a proven seller now for over 10 years. We've sold literally thousands and thousands of them. At times Havit can't keep them on the shelf quick enough because they literally just sell that many. So practical and really good value. Being matte black, that it will suit any application. They're reasonably priced because it's aluminium. And they're just so versatile. It's LED replaceable. You'll find a lot of LED spike lights, they're built in, so once that dies, you got to throw it away. With this one, it's actually got a globe inside, which you just unclick. Like it there. You just unclick the spring and then the globe comes out, so that's always replaceable. Very handy for practical lighting in your garden. You don't want a light where you install it and then it fails, and then 3 years down the track, that light doesn't exist anymore. You can't find it, so they don't match, or you might need an electrician to come fix it. You just want it low maintenance. If something fails, you just replace the globe, very easy. It has a tricolour globe, so you got warm white, cool white and daylight. I'd recommend warm white for outdoor lighting. Just creates extra ambience, a nice calm, soft feel. So that will just go back in. You'll notice throughout this fitting, it has lots of seals. So a lot of spike lights will be a low IP rating, which means water and dust will get in them. This one has an IP65, so it's got water, seals all around it and gaskets all the way through. So through the back, silicone all the way through to the little rubber seal on the top. It's just super watertight. So very high quality finish. You won't see many outdoor lights that are IP65. Most will be IP54 or 44. Okay, so that just screws back on there. We have a nice long 2 meter double insulated cable, so that's easy for wiring in. This is actually DIY as well. It's 12 volt low voltage, so you could actually do this yourself. You'll see below there's junction boxes that you can look at. You'll see below as well there's another video of how we install 12 volt spike lighting, so if you want to take that job on yourself, you can do that. Otherwise you can get it installed by an electrician, have it all done how they would want as well. You've got a little bag here, instructions, you've got a little seal there, so if you can heat shrink it when you join the cables. It comes with 2 spikes, so you've got the option here to use both spikes or just one. Okay, so just show you both of them on. Super simple, just screw straight in, and then the base will screw on. So yeah, here we can adjust wherever we want it. So we can adjust that to light up our foliages, trees, have it going straight up. Whatever we need to highlight, we can adjust that. Very practical. So yeah, 2 years warranty on this. Havit Lighting, can't go wrong with that brand. I'm telling you, really good quality, practical, matte black, reasonably priced. It's just a proven seller. Really can't go wrong with it. So that's all I got today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.